welcome back to Chasing Trophies. Another game in the IPL at the Chinnaswamy and RCB playing their last game in Bangalore, winning it convincingly in the end. The bowlers set it up. Thankfully, in the death overs, they pulled things back. And then with the bat, it was another King Kohli special along with Devdutt Padikkal. They put on a beautiful show for their home fans, and they've ended their home season or like the games at Bangalore on a high, and they've cemented a top 2 spot for now. Now the challenge will start where they have to play 2 games in a makeshift home, and then all the rest of the games will be away. For Gujarat Titans, again, they had the disadvantage of losing the toss. They have to bat first at a total. Sai Sudarshan played a fantastic knock. I know some people talk about his striker, but I still felt he plays a beautiful knock. Shubman Gill struggled a bit at times. Josh Butler also couldn't, capitalize. And, if you're getting a start like that, you could have easily got to 220, 230, which would have been a much better score, at least much more competitive, and could have put pressure on RCB. Like in the end, I think they were short with the bat, short with the ball as well. And Faiz joining me as well. Faiz, great performance from RCB.
Yeah, I mean, again, man, that Devdutt Padikkal performance, accelerating, taking the car from 50 to 120, 180 alongside Virat Kohli. Clinical partnership बहुत अच्छा एक जगह से नहीं का लूज एंड था. यस विराट कोहली को लाइफ मिली, बट इफ यू गिविंग विराट कोहली अ लाइफ, फिर आपकी लाइफ इंश्योरेंस तो खत्म होने वाली है, बिकॉज ही इज गोना मेक मोस्ट ऑफ इट. एंड that's what we saw, right? 81 from him, 55 from Devdutt Padikkal, an incredible partnership. Just the sheer run rate that they were going on. And these are players like, you have Rabada, you have Prasidh Krishna, you have Rashid Khan, you have these levels of bowlers. Prasidh Krishna ke purple cat contender hai. Rashid Khan was one of the better foreign bowlers in the IPL. Rabada bowling 150 clicks. So yeah, it was a phenomenal performance by the RCB camp. अब वही है कि आप ड्रॉप करोगे Washington Sundar Lollipop, then you are not going to be. But again, जैसा mention कर रहे थे भाई कि GT की batting, there's a bit of a aggression problem over there. There's a bit of a strike rate issue there. Is there something that they can rotate? Do they break that cycle of Sai Shubman? I don't think that's happening. But can they promote Josh Butler on top and just see like that will give you a better power play capitalization? Maybe Shubman को one down करके try कर लो. I know it's not going to be probably the solution. Like we've always said कि भाई Kumar Kushagra को try करो, try to get him to hit on a thing. So for Gujarat, they lost in multiple angles. They lost with the bat, they lost with the death over bowling of RCB, they lost with the misfielding and the bad bowling. So there are a lot of areas of concern for Gujarat at this point. But for RCB, they are right now in the top 2, and they still look like a team that is not looking to stop.
Yeah, I mean, they give you chances here and there, but because it's a well-stacked team, कहीं ना कहीं they bring things back. अगर आप आज देखें, पहले 10 ओवर में विकेट नहीं मिल रहे थे, शुभमन गिल, साई सुदर्शन दोनों मार रहे थे. I mean, साई सुदर्शन more. But you see the last 3-4 overs, the way Bhuvneshwar Kumar bowled, that is brilliant depth bowling. It shows his experience. Hazelwood got hit, but then he came back in the last over, bowled a beautiful last over. He gave only 7-8 runs. So I noticed that pattern in the Delhi game as well. Delhi should have won the game very easily. Magar Bhuvi or Hazelwood last over tak leke gaye because they pulled things back. Last over, the thing is, unfortunately, they ran out of overs, so they had to give it to Shepherd over there. I think one concern though for RCB is Rashid Khan keeps pulling up because उन्हें बहुत अच्छी bowling कर रहा है इस season. लेकिन अगर उन्हें pull up करते गया ऐसा and they have to move to a bowler here and there, it's going to be difficult for them. This is the second game in a row I think that he's pulled up with cramp. So that is a kind of an issue. उन लोग को वो थोड़ा sort out करना पड़ेगा. I think he's been if not ideal or if not an ideal replacement for Resdal, maybe a better one also. The way he's bowled, he's been incredible. Lekin if he's going to keep putting up with that might be an issue for them. Because you saw Krunal Pandya had to come and bowl the last over. He also then pulled up something. That is one thing that might be concerning for them, his fitness. But apart from that, it looks like a very solid team. Today, Jacob Bethel, he got out early, but he played some cracking shots as well. And with the bat, Padikkal, I think some of the shots, it was one of the top innings in this IPL. उसका chance, Kohli also played incredible. He got a chance, but Padikkal जिस तरीके से lift कर रहा था ball, खाली timing थी आज. I know it's a small ground, but he was picking up the length and the line very quickly today. Cover के ऊपर, fine leg के ऊपर, square leg के ऊपर. So I think overall, they're looking really good. I still feel Punjab is a better team right now on paper, and if they play again, I would probably favor Punjab. Lekin RCB, they haven't done themselves any harm. They're getting closer to the playoff spot, but now is probably where the challenge for them will happen.
100%. Like again, as I mentioned, away games ज़्यादा हो गए. Even the home game will feel like an away one, right? But though their fans will turn up, but a wicket, if it's tricky, it's a spinning wicket. If there's something in that, can that go against their season right now?
And then you have to quickly, now you played 6 games on a small ground or 5 games on a small ground, to quickly adapt to the dimensions. They can do it, but it's a bit easier when you're doing home and away. When you're doing all home and then all away, it could be a bit, it takes some time.
आपका मसल मेमोरी एकदम से हो जाता है कि भाई इतना मैं लगाऊंगा तो निकल जाएगा सिंक, बट अभी आपको थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट डालना पड़ेगा, which again these guys are standard cricketers, international cricketers will probably do the adaptation, but that is definitely one factor. The second thing is, again, someone has to pick a wicket for against RCB, right, in the power play. Right now, Virat Kohli, Phil Salt, Virat Kohli, Jacob Patel, they've been capitalizing the power play decent well. They're not losing wickets. They're not. Again, it's about for Gujarat. We've mentioned this in the preview before the team that there is no middle order there right now. Bowlers planning so by anything you see like Rabada 150 dal rahe hain छोटे ground पे flicking away sub 6 हो रहा है. Could there have been better planning for Prasid and Rashid, these guys?
I mean, yeah, like obviously it could be better planning, but like if Rabada, Rashid, Prasid are getting hit, then it shows that it was like a tough day for the bowlers. It was, and to be very honest with you, like Hazelwood also got smashed, right? Like in the beginning. So apart from Bhuvneshwar Kumar, everyone got hit, like in this game. So I don't think better planning, probably better planning with the bat. That's what I think. Like, you probably should have got 20-30 runs extra. Obviously, I know that like when it's Rabada and like Rashid are international players, you expect more of them. But at the same time, when you know that the ground is like that, then you need to capitalize with the bat. You need to put the pressure on RCB as well.
100%. Yeah, I think I agree. But like middle order from GT, any changes you would like to see, like Kushagra, maybe someone you think any kind of a change would.
You will get Kushagra for Washington Sundar, because अगर Sundar bowling नहीं कर रहा तो then you can bring in Kumar Kushagra definitely for him.
Yeah, Kushagra. The Siraj improved by leaps and bounds. I think in the last 3 games he's been economical. He's not done very bad. From what we did, so I mean, वही है कि
yeah, I mean, look, that's the thing with Gujarat, right? अगर आप देखें उनकी overall quality है bowling lineup. आप देखो ये मैच में रबाडा पिटा, इन लोग पिटे, मगर सिराज जबरदस्त चला. एक मैच में सिराज बहुत ज्यादा पिटा, I think he got hit for 25 in the 1 over, but उसमें रबाडा इन लोग अच्छा bowling करे. तो उनके पास मेकअप कर देंगे. They have, look, at the end of the day, they're all international level bowlers. उनकी पूरी bowling lineup. But भाई बैटिंग का तो मसला है ना. आप बटलर पे पूरा डाल दे रहे. शुभमन गिल जब एक कंफर्ट लेवल तक उन्हें जबरदस्त बैटिंग करता, मगर वो मतलब 200 प्लस कब लेके आएगा, 230 240 वो करना, उनको वो देखना पड़ेगा. आई थिंक bowling is not much of an issue. Yes, I understand that you're pissed off at Rabada. I completely get it. Some people might be pissed off at Rashid, but I think the batting is a main problem for them, because आपको जब बैटिंग विकेट पे अगर आप नहीं कैपिटलाइज कर रहे हो तो फिर आप बॉलर को हमेशा एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते टेक देम आउट ऑफ जेल. दिल्ली के अगेंस्ट रबाडा निकाला आपको जेल से, उन्हें राशिद भी निकाला, एक स्पेल डाला था क्या, 2-3 विकेट लिया था, उन्हें भी निकाला, मगर हमेशा बॉलर को नहीं एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते.
बात सही है आपकी. अगर आप डायमेंशन ऑफ गेम देखें, फ्लैट विकेट था, यू शुड हैव कैपिटलाइज. अब आपकी क्या है, तिवातिया, शाहरुख खान, फिलिप्स, ये लोग भी नहीं चल रहे. सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. आई मीन चलो ठीक है, आप लाइक शुभमन गिल एंड सुदर्शन पे तो हम ब्लेम डालेंगे, बट फायर पावर भी जहां से आना है वहां से भी नहीं है. वहां पे लाइक वो लेवल के बैटर्स नहीं दिख रहे वक्त उनके पास. मानव सुतार को लेके सवाल यही थॉट्स लाइक यार इसको पहले दे के ट्राई कर लेते या नहीं यार, वो लेफ्ट राइट का चल रहा था, maybe that's why they were a little bit skeptical.
I could have tried it like definitely, but end of the day उसको भी पड़ गया ना towards the end, so I don't know like a few days. It's not like he came and took 5 wickets and like changed the whole game. एक विकेट लिया उन्हें, but like ठीक है, like you could have tried him definitely.
Yeah, I think Shubman Gill has to work some magic and try to जो उनके compatriots है अभिषेक जायसवाल या Sanju Samson जो level पे खेल रहे फिल वक्त, make sure at least you have to make most of it. You're getting a place where there's only 2 people outside of the 30-yard circle. Sai Sudarshan, I think he batted well. I wouldn't completely blame him that much. Maybe there should have been some more firepower from Shubman Gill, Washington, and maybe Josh Butler.
Yeah, because look, at the end of the day, it's not one bowler lost to the game or one thing. It's the thing is like अगर आपका general economy 10 plus है, even RCB का 10 plus ही था ना, गेम का 10 plus है, तो फिर आपको देखना है कि भाई ये तो बैटर का गेम है, तो आपको ही चलाना पड़ेगा, बैटर को ही जिताना पड़ेगा मैच. हाँ ठीक है, आप भूवी टाइप स्पेल डाल सकते हैं, ये वो, but you have to understand second innings also a bit more difficult. You need to have a bit of a cushion which they did not give their bowlers, right? Like, and I understand that you could have bowled better, but like okay, Prasad Krishna had a bad day, this guy had a bad day, this guy had a bad day. I understand that, like it could be improved. Like, the batters need to make the most of it. And middle order, का भी आप देखो कि लाइक ये तो मसला उनके 2-3 साल से चल रहा है, जब से हार्दिक पांड्या गया दे हैवंट रिप्लेस्ड हिम. दैट इज वन थिंग लाइक आई डू सिंपैथाइज विद गुजरात टाइटंस कि जो हार्दिक पांड्या जो गया वो जो ट्रेड हुआ ना सबसे ज्यादा नुकसान उनको हुआ, उसके बाद हार्दिक पांड्या को हुआ, उसके बाद मुंबई इंडियंस को होगा, पर गुजरात हैव सफर्ड अ लॉट फ्रॉम दैट लाइक बिकॉज़ ही वाज देयर स्टेबल गाय इन दैट मिडिल ऑर्डर.
वही है कि यार अब फिर लोग वही सवाल उठाएंगे भाई आप ऑक्शन में क्यों नहीं उठाए.
और वो लोग मतलब वो लोग
आई अंडरस्टैंड हार्दिक पांड्या बढ़ेगा.
वो लोग जो बोल रहे हैं ना वैसा लाइक it's very easy to say that you're sitting on the couch in AC and everything like that. When you have a player like Hardik Pandya, right, like in your team, and suddenly he leaves, it's like ripping a soul out of your team. It's like, you know, for example, they'll take Abhishek Sharma from our team. It's going to hurt us like really badly, man. तो वो लोग जो बोल रहे हैं ऐसा we should I would like to talk to them and tell them that listen man, it's very easy for us to say that, but you have to understand how much he meant to that team. Like, you know, he was there, he won a title, he like, you know, finalist भी लेके गया. It is a big part, bro. कप्तान भी था वहाँ पर.
Like मतलब वही हो सकता है कि 2 साल हो गए, चलो वो बात हो है ना, आपके पास एक और अपॉर्चुनिटी थी.
मगर वो इतना तो स्कार हुआ ना, like इतना स्कार हो गया उन लोग को. I'm not saying कि you cannot change the team, you can get a middle order and stuff like that. I'm just saying it is a big scar, it's a big
yeah, but like that's the thing. I think option if you have चलो top 3 तो आपके सेटल हो गए थे इन शुभमन साई, एक गेम प्लान था आपके पास. थोड़ा if you could have, you know, अब मिलर आपको मिल सकता था, डेलीवाल एलिजिबल है, और उसके बाद you know you had opportunities to maybe क्या बोलते हैं strengthen that middle order. You went with against Shahrukh Khan, Tewatia, that same mentality, right? So it's like you're not trying to
but you're saying that, but like Phillips is a very good middle order batsman. Before that I had Miller is a very good middle order batsman, right? Jason Holder is an amazing lower middle order batsman. So they are trying. मगर हार्दिक पांड्या is Hardik Pandya. That's what I'm trying to explain. वो ऐसा नहीं कि वो लोग ट्राई नहीं कर रहे, मगर आप ही देख लो ये तो अच्छे प्लेयर. फिलिप्स कौन सा अच्छा प्लेयर नहीं है ना. फिलिप्स तो भाई
वॉशिंगटन, शाहरुख खान, तिवारी, ये तो बहुत बड़े गया.
हाँ, गैप क्यों आया? बिकॉज़ पांड्या गया ना. लाइक अगर वही तो इंडियन तो है ही नहीं आपके पास, आप किसको लेंगे इंडियन मिडिल ऑर्डर वैसा. अब ठीक है कुशाग्रा को खिलाओ ये वो, मगर ही इज नो हार्दिक पांड्या, राइट? लाइक आप वो देखो, आप like when you take your main Indian player out of the team, bro, it is always it's going to be difficult to replace him. They've tried, like उन लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं, अभी भी कर रहे हैं. कुशाग्रा को लेके आए, ठीक है, नहीं खिलाए. सुंदर को बनाना चाह रहे हैं उन लोग नंबर 4. भाई सुंदर इंडिया के लिए हर फॉर्मेट में खेलता, कोशिश कर रहे हैं उन लोग. मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि नहीं कर रहे. आई डू गिव देम दैट बेनिफिट, बट आई एम सेइंग समवेयर डाउन द लाइन it is that thing has hurt them a lot. If you really look in deep into the Gujarat thing, I'm not saying that like okay Tiko, you have to move on. Yes, obviously you have to move on, but it's something that I don't think they moved on from.
I mean वही है कि now like you could say that, but मेरे को तो वही लग रहा है कि भाई like the auction tactics again they got it wrong. They had a game plan. They went till the playoffs last year. They went till the a long way, right? In that context.
But like, who would you add it in the middle order?
If I go back to the auction and now look like you had opportunity to get a finisher in David Miller, you had.
So they had Miller. He didn't perform like in the last couple of years. So
but I would rather back someone like Miller who have had, right, like more a little bit of the flavor of the past. अब हार्दिक का सीन तो भाई उसमें तो नेहरा भी there was a lot of issues with Nehra and stuff like there was a lot of problems that happened. I understand your.
But like to be very honest, like it's a weak argument because I feel that Hardik Pandya will have a much bigger impact than a David Miller.
But you can argue like Hardik and Mumbai also not having that impact. Right?
I mean, you're arguing that just to sake of arguing with me, but like I don't think it's a valid. I don't think that's a valid argument.
Yeah, ठीक है, that's how you look at it.
That's absolutely how I look at it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like आप ऐसा देख रहे हैं तो मैं ऐसा
नहीं, because यार वो तो आर्गुमेंट है ही नहीं यार. हार्दिक पांड्या ऑलराउंडर है, फिर 4 ओवर
है भाई, वो तो बराबर बात है. But I'm just saying आप 2 साल हो गए हार्दिक को, आप ये गुजरात लेके चल रहे हैं.
If you say so,
you can change the team is what I'm saying. Middle order थोड़ा.
No, I think that's just like trying to counter something, but I don't think it's argument there because they're different players.
But if I sit and say भाई 2 साल हो गए हार्दिक चले गया, then I'll be like अरे भाई I have to move on. Like you said, right, you have to move on. So I'm just saying when you had an opportunity in a mini auction to grab a few players to counter what last year you did.
But
you went in the qualification.
I agree with the I'm just telling you नहीं था वैसा player उनको replacement. Like हार्दिक पांड्या जैसा player नहीं है उनके पास. Like Indian all-rounder वैसा player नहीं है.
कुछ तो भी better ले सकते थे. तिवारी, वही शाहरुख खान, वही same चलते जा रहे हैं ना.
मगर try तो करे ना, फिलिप्स को लेके आए उन लोग. सुंदर को लेके आए 2 ऑक्शन पहले, अब वो नहीं चल रहे तो नहीं चल रहे तो लाइक
नहीं चल रहा बस वाले।
अब अगर आप देखें ग्लेन फिलिप्स इज अ प्रॉपर ऑलराउंडर, लाइक ही सॉलिड प्लेयर, जेसन होल्डर इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ऑलराउंडर्स गोइंग अराउंड इन द वर्ल्ड, आपके पास रबाडा
होल्डर
है,
अच्छा है, होल्डर को भी लाइक होल्डर को भी बहुत लेट स्टार्ट करा है, आफ्टर 6-7 गेम्स राइट।
या बट लाइक दैट्स द थिंग राइट, लाइक आप उनके प्लेयर नहीं चल रहे तो दैट इज समथिंग यू आल्सो हैव टू क्वेश्चन शुभमन गिल राइट, देन लाइक उसकी कप्तानी फिर वैसा है यार। मगर मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि लाइक डोंट मूव ऑन एनीथिंग लाइक दैट, आई एम सेइंग दे हैवंट रिकवर्ड फ्रॉम इट। मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है, मैं गलत हो सकता हूँ मगर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि भाई वो जो स्लॉट है जो हुआ उनके साथ ऐसा
वेरी बिग प्लेयर, आई एग्री विद यू,
वैसा
अपॉर्चुनिटी भी आपको मिली, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं मिली,
मगर उन लोग मगर जो आप बोल रहे हैं कोशिश नहीं कर रहे हैं, उन लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं। मैं वही तो बोल रहा हूँ, जेसन होल्डर को लेके आ रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, आप बोल रहे हैं कोशिश नहीं कर रहे हैं उन लोग ऑक्शन में। मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि यार उन लोग कर रहे हैं मगर दे नॉट बीइंग एबल टू लाइक you know they're not being able to execute it, like अगर ठीक है अब मिलर का आप बात कर रहे हैं वो बात ठीक है, मगर आप होल्डर को तो लिए ना, आप फिलिप्स को तो लिए, अब वो चल रहे नहीं, वो तो वो प्लेयर है, आप चांस नहीं दे रहे तो आप क्या। टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट विद यू, इफ यू आस्क मी, Phillips has underperformed. I thought Phillips would do the job, like you know as
fair, but like if I'm looking at the 11 from the last year, 7-8 people are the same, 9 people are the same, so that is something like that, you know, you're relying too much on the people like Tewatia, Shah Rukh Khan.
That I agree with. That I agree with you. But I'm just saying, like today they didn't even play.
Today,
but they still lost the game. So, but like, so that means also the other guys over there, the top order. तो वही तो है. That I completely agree. By Tewatia को upgrade कर सकते थे, वो सब कर सकते थे. Maybe they didn't want to do it. That is completely fine. But does that make them a championship winning? I don't know. They can. I still feel that Gujarat have done a decent job. Like last time, look playoff fight. Playoff fight, na?
Yes, sir.
Playoff fight. They're still doing a decent job. They're still competing. Up have problems, and I feel the problem does stem from that situation, from the former captain not being there. That's what I feel. And because the thing is, there is a difference of like you know becoming 10th like KKR or still competing for the top 4 here and there. And I feel Gujarat are trying, man. Like आप देखो, they're just not getting the right players. ठीक है, Tewatia and two are big problems, but they're trying to get all rounders. They're trying to think Miller they let go. They try to get Phillips. They try to. I think they had another player, bro, that has gone. Is it Tom Banton?
Tom Banton.
Yeah, is he not there? I think he left.
Balancing, Tom Banton.
Yeah, so I mean, they're trying to get middle order players. They're trying like because of the foreign and thing, it's not working. ठीक है, like it is what it is. Like that's what they have. Also, what's it called? Kumar Kushagra. They should try, right? Like
they're not even trying to change weight. Holder की आप बात करें, होल्डर को भी लेट लाए. So I mean आपको
वो तो नेहरा जी और गिल को देखना पड़ेगा. उन लोग वॉशिंगटन
गिल का भी स्ट्राइक रेट, multiple issues in the Gujarat Titans that they also have to address. They have seen this template last year. They went till the qualifier. They thought they could have repeated it, but it doesn't look like that's happening this year. Doesn't look like they're probably trying. It doesn't look like right now top 4 की टीम को नहीं दिख रही है साल गुजरात.
हाँ मुश्किल है, but I just still feel like अगर you know थोड़ा सा ground जब बड़े रहेंगे, थोड़ा सा अगर slow wickets हो तो then they'll have a chance.
राशिद खान का भी थोड़ा form है.
राशिद खान का वैसा आएगा and stuff like that. अगर आप like to be honest with you, they're playing a team apart from Delhi. Most of the teams they've lost in the ground, right? Like against RCB and Chinnaswamy. So it's not like they just went and lost. अब आप ही देख लो like if you look at Gujarat now and you look at Mumbai Indians, right? Mumbai is 100 times better. Gujarat is like Gujarat is like ahead of them right now. Like so, like I'll cut them some slack, man. I feel bad for them. What happened, you know, with the. But this is like you said, it's part of the game. I completely agree. You have to move on. You have to try things. I'm just saying that they have tried things. It's just not clicked for them. So until it clicks, they'll have to keep trying, keep looking at other players. You know, they'll have to look at Indian all-rounders. Maybe do a trade, Shubman Gill for NKR. Like you do something out of the box. No, because आपको ऑर्डर तो चाहिए ना, like आपको अगर कुछ मिडिल ऑर्डर चाहिए. I'm not saying Shubman Gill, but like you know, to try and get a trade going. Like you have to do something.
आपके scouts जो भी हैं गुजरात में, domestic में से आप देख सकते थे some talents. You know, like you could.
Does Manu Sutar bat?
Manu Sutar bats a bit. Yeah, that's why they bought him into the 11.
Yeah, so there you go. Like I mean, so they have options, but they need to try.
अब वही है कि you have had this team, the same kind of team for the last 2 to 3 years right now. So like for them.
Look, I look at this, the batters who played today, right? Sai Sudarshan, Shubman Gill, Josh Butler, Washington Sundar, Jason Holder, right? That's not a bad lineup. Like it's a pretty good lineup. But the thing is, you need Washington Sundar to step up. You need Josh Butler to step up. You need Shubman Gill and these guys
Washington
to step
Sundar as a number 4 is a little bit tricky.
up. Again, that is I heard that this is Ashish Nehra का call है. मैं ये सुना कि from close sources that Ashish Nehra wants this to happen.
I would have, if now with this team, maybe I would just say go weird and say Tewatia को ऊपर भेजो, give him freedom, let him smash. वही left hander है, वो भी माने ही जाएगा. आप एकदम, I understand Tewatia a finisher in their eyes, but they need to probably give him more responsibility and a little bit more time. But yeah, I mean that's just probably my take because like Washington Sundar has struggled in most of the matches. There was one match he's played well, but maybe because you know that there is a person who can hit mentality, let Tewatia probably drive up the order.
Yeah, and the thing is, I'll tell you something. Maybe they're also showing loyalty to their players because these are a lot of players got them to the final and they got them to the player. So in the last. When did they start? 2022, 2022, they won. 23, they reached the final. 24, they didn't qualify. Pandya went. They got to 25 playoff, and now 26. So it's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. But I think that a lot of their fans are just upset with the team and the way they're playing. Again, it's about the strike rates. Like आप बोले, there are multiple factors.
थोड़ा बहुत मुझे
catches and a lot of things. But I just feel like थोड़े चीज़ें change up करना पड़ेगा उनको. A lot of things like holder अब ला लिए. Let's see how they progress. Siraj also. थोड़ा better हो गया है. Rabada maybe the 150s were too much today on this surface.
You have a big problem with Rabada's one.
नहीं मेरा ये आप चिन्निस्वामी भी खेला इतना 150.
यार मगर देखो मैं समझ गया आपकी बात मगर प्रसिद्ध तो 120 डाल रहा था उन्हें भी फिट रहा था मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कि like वो होता है like आप बहुत गुस्से में रबाडा के साथ it's not just Rabada bro like it's not like मैं आपके बात से नहीं आर्ग्यू कर रहा हूँ कि उन्हें 150 डाला और पिट गया वो बात ठीक है मगर ये तो होता है लाइक प्रसिद्ध तो भी तो डाला ना मिक्सअप उन्हें तो भाई मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ आप आई थिंक वर यू विद मी देयर वाज वन ओवर ब्रो प्रसिद्ध बॉल टू विराट कोहली एंड पडिक्कल उसमें उन्हें एक बॉल 120 डाला एक 140 डाला एक पूरे छक्के गए एक स्लोअर बॉल डाला 110 I'm
not completely going to blame Rabada but it's just
you don't like him
I don't know what I like Rabada
is it because like of the video which is leaked suddenly
क्या करना है वो उसकी हेल्थ है
नहीं I don't think 150 का प्रॉब्लम है भाई like I don't think like वो ठीक है यार like पड़ गई उसको पड़ गई प्लेयरों को पढ़ते हैं like it's okay राशिद को भी तो पड़ी ना आप अगर seriously with a cool head if you just look at it जो ओवर पढ़ा है वो राशिद का ही था because we want and मगर फिर भी राशिद को I cut slack because it's a चिन्निस्वामी स्पिनर को पढ़ते हैं मगर वो अगर आप स्पेसिफिकली मैच देखे वो जो 2 ओवर राशिद को मारे ना वो ही मैच पलटा दिया because they went from 120 of like 70 to suddenly 80 or 60
वो तो शिफ्ट हो गया
वो जो 2 ओवर थे राशिद के that was the momentum there but मैं उसको भी नहीं blame कर रहा but I'm just saying if you really want to see where the thing it wasn't like maybe it might not even been impressive it might not even been thing it was probably those 2 overs
वही वो भी के भी एक ओवर और सूयस का भी एक ओवर वहां पे भी प्रेशर बिल्ड there are multiple things that
No, I understand. Look, the thing is that we have the different opinions and everything like that. Also, I understand that you don't want RCB to win. So, like, वो गुस्सा भी रहता है when they're winning. You don't feel happy about it. So, like, वो ज़्यादा रहता है. That's why you're criticizing the players more. I'm just trying to give you another side to it. I'm not saying that. I'm just trying to say like, ठीक है, like, it is that is what it is. But then, even if you're bowling whatever speed you're getting it, Siraj probably. The length also, and Siraj is also very. I mean, he's also learned. He knows this was his former home ground too. So we can't stack there. But yeah, tomorrow, Fez, Pat Cummins is back. Yes. That's what everybody is talking about. Looking forward to the game. There's also Delhi versus Punjab is also a great game. Punjab unbeaten.
Yeah, unbeaten. Delhi जिस पर अभी खेल रही है, it doesn't look like Delhi. But अगर home का कुछ फायदा उठाए, जो मुश्किल लग रहा है दिन का गेम है. Maybe you'll see a part of it again. So a lot of runs going up.
Yeah, Delhi का एक चीज है 2 दिन का गेम खेले एक मुंबई के अगेंस्ट और एक बैंगलोर दोनों जीते हैं तो you don't know what can happen but you're right Punjab probably favorites going to the game then we got Sunrisers at
Jaipur
Rajasthan Royals at Jaipur so make sure you guys are hitting the like button subscribe button and do join us